Ooh, look at this. Look at this mirror. Wow, man. Hey everyone, super cool product from TSLAUCAY. You know how I love their carbon fiber. Check this out, lower mirror cap. This looks so cool in the right lighting, real carbon fiber and red. Like, man, I've never seen real like red carbon fiber like this. And man, this looks so good. So that, yeah, again, this goes under the mirror cap, and got my friend's Model Y Juniper, and we're going to be putting it on that. I've already done a number of upgrades on, including carbon fiber mirror cap. So this is going to be perfect. And he also has some other red accents on the Juniper, so this is really going to tie it together. All the links are below as usual. TeslaMark is the discount code to use. Saves you 26%, typically more than any of the other discount codes that they may offer you. So use those, and all right, let's get this on the car. As usual, first thing we got to do is get this mirror super clean. Obviously, right under here is the most important. Now, before we take the backing off the tape, I always like to do a little rehearsal. Now, you see it's got this little edge, this little lip edge around here that wraps around the front of the mirror. So be aware of that, and just kind of practice putting it on there. I think it's best to focus on this edge here first, and then we're going to focus on the top and bring it around like that. And don't push too hard, because you don't want the tape to stick in the spot that it shouldn't be. And then once we get it to where we want on here, then we'll start pushing it into place here. So I'm going to take all the backing off the tape now. Okay, let's see how this goes. I always get a little nervous with this tape. I don't know why. Worst comes to worst, you take it off, get some more tape, and do it again. Okay, so I'm kind of lightly pressing on the top here. I think we're in a good spot. It's good. Pushing it this way to make sure we're there. We're good there. Okay, here. All right. Now let's put the overall pressure on. Now with this tape, as long as it's relatively warm, 70 degrees or more, and you hold pressure on this for 30 seconds, you'll get about 80% of the adhesion. And after a day or two, it'll reach 100%. And, you know, this is a small piece right here. There's not much risk of it coming off of the car. There's a lot of tape on it. But, you know, it is out here in the wind. All right. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. Look at this mirror. Wow, man. All right, obviously you've got, this is upgraded here too. I've got a whole video on that, and look at that alone. Of course this is TSLAUCAY quality, but look at this red. Wow. Now what makes this great on this car is he's already got some red accents going here. He's got upgraded calipers, logo. So he's got some red going on, and look, it just kind of adds to the fun. Check this out, add a little red back here too. And, you know, here it is, not in the sun. And man, this looks good. This looks cool. Whenever you can, if you can afford it, get real carbon fiber. I think it just makes a big difference. And these mirrors now look outstanding. This really adds to the car. I mean, check that out. Clearly more aerodynamic now. Probably pick up another 5-10 miles of range.